Hello there, my name is Viraj Das, and I'm here to show you the parking sensor system, or otherwise known as PASS. So, the situation is, you're in a parking lot, and you can't find any parking space. So how cool would it be if on your phone, it would tell you whether a parking space, what represented by this box here on the road, is free or not. So, what we've done here is we're using an ultrasonic sensor and a Raspberry Pi to detect whether the car, which I built using the Lego Mindstorms, is on top of the parking space. And it will then use the Twilio API to send an SMS to your phone. So, let's start it out. Let me just show you. Right now, it's detecting that there's no car currently on top. I don't know if you can see that, but it says vacant. Then, I just ran the code. And this car was built using the Lego Mindstorms. I have the Lego Mindstorms app on my computer there. And if you'll notice, on the phone, we just got this SMS, occupied. So, that is the parking sensor system, PASS. How does everything work? Well, let me start off by explaining the ultrasonic sensor. It's this tiny little sensor here with 4 pins: VCC, trigger, ground, and echo. And each of these pins serves a really important purpose. So VCC takes in 5 volts from the Raspberry Pi and provides power to the sensor. Trigger takes in 3.3 volts, which is the reason why we're using the resistor here on the perf board. And what the trigger does is it reads these signals given by the Raspberry Pi, either 1 or 0. And if the Raspberry Pi gives a 1, the sensor will send a signal out into space. And that's where we get to the echo pin. Whenever the signal is bounced back from an object and the sensor receives that same signal, it will send that signal through the echo pin to the Raspberry Pi, which then calculates the distance using time and speed. And the ground pin, like in all sensors, Raspberry Pis, Arduinos, is where the power leaves. Like I said before, I'm Viraj Das, and I've made multiple Raspberry Pi projects. This is just my most recent one, so that's why I wanted to show it to you. A little bit about myself. So I won the Georgia State Technology Competition twice, and that includes this year. And then back at Webbridge, which is the school I'm in right now, I started the WBMS Tech Club last year in 6th grade. And I'm super excited to help out on Friday and meet other people who love the Raspberry Pi just like I do. Thank you.